This afternoon I found myself walking through the Kampong Glam Ramadan Bazaar. The sky honestly didn't look very convincing. Super cloudy. The kind of light that feels flat at first. And then, of course, it started to rain later in the afternoon. Classic. But you know what? I actually love this kind of weather for street photography. I'm walking along Muscat Street, right in front of Sultan Mosque, stretching down towards Sultan Gate. The stores are slowly coming alive, vendors setting up, people browsing, some already buying snacks for breaking fast. I've got this Leica M240 in my hands, paired with the light lens LED speed Panchro 50mm. I'm shooting it with wide open at f2.0 aperture the whole time. Partly because, well, look at the sky, it's dark. The light is low, but also because I just love what this lens does at f2.0. There's this dreamy, almost cinematic bokeh. The background just melts away. The subject pops, but not in a harsh way, more like it gently floats forward. And here's the interesting part. M240 doesn't recognize this speed Panchro lens. I didn't set any lens detection in the camera at all. No corrections, no digital help. And honestly, I'm glad I didn't, because without lens correction, the vignetting becomes much more pronounced. The edges get darker, softer, and it feels more organic, more imperfect, and somehow more emotional. The photos look even dreamier, especially in this cloudy weather. As I'm walking, I'm just scanning for later moments. The 50mm feels intimate, not too close, not too far. Just enough to stay part of the scene without interrupting it. In the photo I'll be sharing in this video, take a closer look at how this lens renders the scene. Pay attention to the bokeh, how the lights and stars in the background dissolve into soft shapes. And notice the softness. It's not clinically sharp, it has character, a kind of gentle glow. For a cloudy, rainy afternoon, I'll say this was the perfect setup. Sometimes, imperfect weather, no lens correction, and a bit of vignetting, that's exactly what gives the photo their soul.